Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hello, friends. Welcome to my music class. In today's class, I'm going to teach you how to play Happy Birthday to You. What are the chords that you need for Happy Birthday to You? You need chord 1, C, E, G. We are in the key of C major. This is chord 1. Then you need chord 5, G, B, D. Then you need chord 4, F, A, C. Then you combine your left hand with the first note of each of the chord, the root. C for the chord 1, G for the chord 5, and F for the chord 4. Let's take the first phrase. Do, do, do. Then second phrase. So, so, so. Happy birthday to you. We are still in chord 5. Happy birthday to you. Come back to chord 1. Then still in chord 1. Happy birthday. Then chord 4. Happy birthday. Then chord 1. Happy birthday. Chord 5. Chord 1. You can pause the video and look at the chord, walk around the chord. Don't forget, a chord is formed with 3 notes, combination of 3 or more notes. So walk around the chord and make sure that you practice it perfectly. Can we now take it from beginning to the end? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Then you can also combine the 2 chords together, the root of the 2 chords, both the left and the right. Chord 1, full chord of chord 1 on the left side is C, E, G. Then use the same pattern and work around the progression. Now let's use the full chord of the root of all the chord, the C, the G, F, and work around the song. Happy birthday to you. Just left, right, right. Left, right, right, left, right, right. As simple as ABC. Let's take it again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Then you can also extend your octave, your left hand as an octave. C to C, G to G, and F to F. Use the same pattern and play. Can we go? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, enjoy the class. See you in the next class.
Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.